Good morning. Welcome to ABC Trader. Today is November 17, 2020. It's 8:30 in the morning, and this is an educational video about the indicator of the swing scanner. What I want to show you today is past week and a half, we had a lot of consolidation. We had the election, but what I want to show you more so is the power of the swing scanner and why it should be in your trading arsenal. Yesterday, I was with somebody and we were testing, and I was showing, are you using the swing scanner? So this was yesterday's trading right here, this ugliness. I had a trade here, and then also coming back, and then my video was crashing because I was trying to get a little fancy on my YouTube videos live, and then I had to work on it and I got frustrated. But I was expecting yesterday for the market to go down, and it held for one more day. This section here was another announcement of a COVID vaccine, which is good news. But it held and held, and now she's just breaking. So what the swing scanner does, I have these times saying this is a critical time in trading that the market should be starting to reverse. I have that through the daily chart. I'll put on the daily chart before I put on the daily chart to show you what I'm talking about. And as you can see, she just had a major break. And I give you a timestamp here. We have 13 days left on the sell cycle. What I want to show you is, and I'm going to be changing one of my indicators that I took off the investors pack. I call it the institutionalized because I kind of merged it into the market maker. So I'm going to call it probably the swing scanner line, so you don't have to redraw them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a horizontal line here. Now we're going to go back in time where the previous timestamp kind of activated. So let's say it kind of activated somewhere right in this gap up, gap down, somewhere right here. Let's go right there, somewhere around there. It was somewhere right in this zone when it activated. I have to look at the previous lines here. We'll do it again. There's a major gap here where it started. And we'll keep on going back in time. This one hit the same line, so I don't have to worry about it. And what I want to show you, these are many different cycles. Started somewhere right on here. I would like to get it right when it was activated, but we'll do that when I put it into the indicator. Somewhere right in there, that zone. It's probably right here where it activated, but that's okay. And on a gap, I'm not sure right now, but we'll put it right in the beginning, right where market started. I'll have to take a look at my code. And we should be done here. Or do we have another cycle right here? Oops. Okay. Now one more. There we go. So now when I crunch this up, and I'm going to go to, let's say, maybe a 15-minute chart here. How many days do I have here? It's good enough. What you'll notice, even using these previous times, this is an old, that would be the most current one there. But as you can see, when it gets into the swing scanner, there's vibrations. Another vibration level. Hitting here, another vibration level. Punching up, another vibration level, another vibration level. And this is the, see, because we're at 15, it's a little off because you have to get it right to the minute. And what you will notice, you'll get vibration levels, tap again, come down, another vibration. Remember, I'm a little off because I don't have it exactly on my timestamp, but you can get the idea. See how it's all vibrating? And if I even had more data back in time, you will see where it vibrates over and over and over again. So my question is, this swing scanner, even though let's say we have this line way back here, look how many times it will vibrate and oscillate, come back here, vibrate and oscillate, over and over again. We'll just, you know what, we'll follow this one line at 3040. Another vibration right here. It went up and did we get to 3040? No, see 3040 is farther down. But you will see, oh, did we get to it? There you go, 3040. Over and over and over again. Now, when you do that, and now let's watch this. Now I'm going to connect it to the market maker line. And the market maker line is showing, I call it the daily areas where the market maker wants to go to point A to point B. This is the baby steps. But when you do that, what you will find out, market maker lines correlated up here perfectly. And you will go from day to day, you'll find areas of support and resistance where market maker lines, see how they have 1, 2, and 3 in the zone? And we will get to the next market maker line and see how they have a lot of market makers within this zone here. So basically this actually was probably right here because I said there was a gap here, I didn't have it correctly. And so the key is on this video is using the swing scanner will help you try to judge the trading cycle. Not the days, because the days can be, when we're looking at the minutes to the seconds, it can vibrate all the time. But now what we can do is we have cycle 1 to cycle 2. Can we get to 3596 to 40? If it breaks at 40, can we get to the 500 level? How many days will it take before we get into this ugly zone again? Because we had a lot of vibration here. See, it's tapping. We have some support and resistance here, and then we can start getting to the smaller areas. But now if I go back to the day chart, now this is what I want to show you. Once again, sell cycle starts. Go figure. If you look at the news, this is when COVID was announced. And this is where the stocks were, you heard about these senators selling out all their stock, but they're not criminally charged. Go figure that out. Inside trading. But there you go. There was the COVID sellout. The fear kept on continuing until this cycle. So these two cycles reversed. And then the market started stair-stepping all the way back. And we always say right in the beginning of the market, we have to see if it continues on. So this one went up, came back down. This one was a failed signal, another instant fail. So we had two inverses again. Correct. Failed signal. Correct. And a really big correction here. And now we're starting to pull back again. Other than that, that's all I want to show you in this video. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe. If you want to join the Discord group, go right ahead. I am allowing you to try the indicators for free if you join the Discord group. So you can, click to subscribe, all that other stuff. I'm just trying to build a really good trading community. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day.